Timu zombiri eza Bishop Stuart University eyabashije hamwe n'eyabakazi ez'omuzano gwa volleyball omukasheshe k'eriizooba zayitabo mu kutendekwa kwa hamuheru kwetegurira kuzaana na timu za Mitoma Police omu muzano gw'akamalirizo ogw'empaka za liigi ya Burenje rw'izooba eza volleyball ezirikutandika nyenkya kare. Okutendekwa kwa timu ezi kwakorerwa ha kishaayi ky'itendekero omuri Kakoba. Ombashija Bishop Stuart University oguno murundi gwa kashatero kuhika omu finals bwa nyuma yo kusinga ekikopo 2013 kandi abaherero ko mu finals 2015 barukuguturwa timu ya Mbarwa Youth Volleyball Club ekikapiteni wabo Herbert Aroho ari kugira ngo nibenda kurwanisa obutagaruka mu kusingwa
twongera mu training ebe coverage service attacks na endurance because umuntu yafitire tona games zo muri kandi decisive chanchire ukamba bora mu obuntu
yo timu y'abakazi netabo mu finals zo murundi gwo kubanza kuritana na timu ya Mitoma aho abazana baraganisa okukora kurungi okusya timu y'abahabusinguzi
regular season seshabeza bezero tukastine court defense na blocking and the whole of this camp mutatu twirinde tukoraho the court defense, the blocks, and then the service, and which positions should we cover.
So we've been doing our best, we've been doing the last touches and drills, so to ready competing na naba Mitoma kandi turaganisa showcasing our best performance.
Timu zombiri omu season egi zibwabwine emirundi ebiri aho Mitoma esingire emizano yona nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agacenchwire.